Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to Marcus. What street name is this here?
This is the Relax Spa for Men Street. I saw it here.
It's Antung 29, guys. We are at the Relax Spa for Men. Maybe this is the right spa for you.
For me?
Man. Yeah.
No.
Relax Spa for Men. Huh, interesting. I'm sorry, dear woman, dear my 20% woman, it's not for you here. Or maybe they take you here on this side. Beauty salon. All right, guys. So we are here in a very interesting street. Yeah, so you see, you get a body massage here. Yeah? This will be a big building here as well, probably, if they ever start. We just reviewed a friend's house, what he bought, or his mom bought. Very interesting, very close by.
Yeah.
And
but he's in the process to renovate it,
yes,
the whole place.
Exactly. It's gonna look very, very good. And this year, I think they have electric bicycles here. Yeah, it's called Tom Motorbike Rentals, electric bicycles and e-bikes.
Yeah, they have e-bikes.
E-motorbikes. And here, very old. Now, since I'm in Da Nang, this place is there. Bamboo Bob coffee shop. They sell coffee, and they had back in 2022. They always had Wines Day. This was the nicest thing ever. There was back in 2022 a glass of wine for 25,000 dong, less than $1.
What I remember is when I came here, arrived the first time 2 years ago, like in September.
Yeah.
You brought me here.
For coffee.
You
Yeah.
said, hey, let's go to Bamboo Coffee. It's great coffee.
Bamboo Bob. Yeah. Yeah, it's an outdoor coffee. Oh, look at this! How stylish this one looks. Super cool. My God, tinted.
Little Batmobile.
Look at this. For the speed ergonomics here,
exactly.
you know. You know what would be funny if they would have like 4 exhaust pipes on this little e-bike. Yeah. Look at how tiny the wheels are. Like little baby motorbike wheels.
like from scooter. Maybe a little bit more.
There's something new getting built here. Interesting. Maybe another apartment building. This is also super interesting because it looks so zen. Yes, we would have to do that.
We have to do it because it's always when I walk by, I say, wow, it's pretty.
I could imagine they have exposed bricks in there and very stylish. And this here is a villa. Do you think this is for rent? I mean, it looks like someone isn't there, so.
Yeah.
But yeah, sometimes those villas are for rent, actually. You can rent out a lot of nice villas here. Oh wow, they had a car washing here.
Yeah, but now they
closed it. Huh. And then here, this is for rent. The owners changed, and now it's more expensive.
Sad story.
Yep. This is the difficulty here. If you're a business and you rent out, even if you do a contract with the owner, but if the owner sells it, then the new owner can just say, hey, I want to have double. Especially if they know you're successful. So this is very, very dangerous. So you have to actually
protect it.
You're not protected. You should definitely, if you build a business somewhere, you should definitely look out for proper people, good people. You gotta be always careful here, everywhere in the world. Fly burgers. It is very humid today, insanely humid. It rained for like 10 minutes, and then now it's just on another scale of humidity. Absolutely crazy. But now we are back at the Le Dao Street, taking a little stroll. It's way more, look at this nice car here, G-Class. It's so weird that those little shopping places does not look like something Montclair. Okay, now I understand what's in there. So if you want to have some fake store, there's one here too.
Yeah, but I barely see people in it.
Yeah, that's true. Maybe they have bus groups or something. Sauna, 15 minutes, 100K. That's a little bit pricey. Who wants to go only 15 minutes? You need 15 minutes, and then you go to the ice bath, and then you go another 15 minutes. Then you return that, repeat that. This is how it looks today on the Sunday.
Very cloudy.
Very cloudy, yeah. It's cloudy and dark somehow.
But it's still 30 degrees.
Yes, and ultra humid. I'm dripping in sweat, so it's not nice today. On those days you have to hydrate a lot and also stay in the AC. Pharmacy. In the pharmacy you can get pretty much everything. Very good. Few spas here on the street as well as this 4-star hotel here. I think it's a 4-star, maybe it's also 5. But yeah, it's pretty new, but it looks very classy, yeah?
Did you know that they have apartments to rent?
Yes.
They say it's Golo apartment.
Yeah, it's over there. Those are apartments for rent.
Yeah.
Pretty interesting.
Very. So Sammy.
What is the word of today?
Exactly.
Krustenbrot. Krustenbrot. Good German bread.
Yeah.
Do you know even what Krustenbrot is?
Krustenbrot? Yeah, it's a bread with a crusty crust.
Yeah. Very good. You should definitely try it out. Germany, we have very good breads.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think I'm gonna get another coffee here.
Okay, from Sun Coffee.
Yes.
So then I will head to my office.
All right. Have a good
Say
day.
goodbye. Bye bye.
Bye bye. I gotta get the wifey some coffee. We just filmed this very interesting video about the house. What my German friend bought, German-Vietnamese friend. With the land, pretty interesting. And what will be happening there is going to be also very, very interesting. And now we are at the Antung 34, my favorite corner here. But I will just get one to go. Hey guys, if you see here, it's raining again. So it's rain and humidity, non-stop. Not non-stop, but it's humid non-stop. And occasionally a little bit of rain, weirdly enough. Yeah, it is what it is. Still a nice Sunday, it's 30 degrees. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next vlog.